Merry Christmas, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you are new or if you're a returner, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below because I love to read your comments and I definitely always reply to them. So let's get into it. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick Christmas look for you. I did this last week I only did the eyeshadow part when I went to work last week. So I wanted to do like a whole look with it. So let's get into it. So I already primed my face with Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And I primed my eyes with Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion Original. So now I'm going to go into my eyebrows because they need to be fixed. So to shape my eyebrows, I'm going to use NYX Cosmetics Tinted Brow Mascara. To help line that up, I'm going to use Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. The shade is J12. So I'm not going to use this brush because this is a very thick brush. So I'm going to use one of my little brushes. Use a brush and I'm going to just, I guess, dab it in. And I'm just gonna go in with my my eyebrow brush and comb and just make sure that, you know, it's clean and they're shaped at least almost the same. Okay. So now that that is done, I'm gonna go in with foundation. I'm using I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation from Juvia's Place. This shade is called TOGO. And I'm literally only gonna take a little bit, not too much because it's full coverage. So I don't want too much on my face. I'm going to go in back with my concealer. This time I'm going to put it on the areas that I usually put it on. So that includes like under my eye area, on the bridges of my nose, on my chin, and in the middle of my eyebrows. And then I let that sit in for about 5 minutes, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I let the concealer sit, I'm going to blend it in with my sponge. So to let the concealer bake in, I'm going to put on setting powder on those areas, and I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty setting powder. This shade is Nutmeg, and I'm just gonna put it on those areas. While I let that sit a little bit, I'm going to now go into my eyes. So to start off, I'm going to go like in this area with, I'm going to start off with the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place. I'm sorry that it's dirty. And I'm going to start off with Jamata, which is like a red. Under that, I'm going to go in with the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place, and from this palette, I'm going to use Buzzo, and this is going to go basically directly under. I'm going to go back over just like to blend it a bit. Okay, lastly, I'm going to go in with The Warrior by Juvia's, and from this palette I'm going to use Idia to give it some more sparkle, you know, give it some more oomph. And I'm going to just go into the eyelid part. Alright, so now I'm going to put on some mascara. For my mascara, I'm going to use Kush Mascara from Milk Makeup. Okay, so now I'm going to wipe away this setting powder. And I'm going to use one of my Real Technique brushes. Right now I'm going to go with my Sahara Blush Volume 1 palette. I'm going to use Neo. That's honestly like my favorite one right now. So usually I also go over that eyeshadow with I'm gonna use Zara. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the lips, and for my lips I'm going to use Rogue from their Red and Cherries lip line, and I'm going to use Scorpio lip liner. Alright, so here it is. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like this look. Let me know if you like it, what's your favorite part of it. And I will see you next time. Merry Christmas!